The hair that we'll be using today is actually from Hurela hair, and this is how they package the hair. The first thing I saw is the wig cap, then the hair. There is nothing on the bag. It is a headband wig, so it came with 2 headbands, and that's all that came inside the package. This is how inside of the hair was packaged, and this is how inside the wig looks. It is a standard headband cap construction with straps and 4 combs, as well as the headband attachment. There is minimal shedding because each time, as you can see, it's just 1 strand that's coming out. So let's get started. I do have a detailed video of how to hide the headband on your headband wig, so if you haven't checked that out, you should go ahead and do so. So what I'm going to do now is basically to sleep down my hair, the natural portion of my hair. And what I'll be using to get that done is the edge control that I normally use if you're a frequent subscriber, the Mega Hair Gel Wax Shining. This is what we're looking like when everything is set and done. Like, look how sleek my natural hair is. Like, we just done flayed that, like, period. So this is what my natural 4C hair is looking like. As I mentioned before, I do have a detailed video explaining how you can go ahead and hide the headband. So if you're not sure how you can do that, I already have a detailed video on that. So go ahead and click the video that you see on screen right now to check that out.